Well, I'm trying to deliver some good news here. Of course, coming off the heels of some winter storms, having a big impact across central and southern Utah. But clearing out, it's been a slow climb getting out of these cold temperatures where it's just kind of socked in, and we're going to see some improvements as we move through the weekend. It's sunny skies, though, and smooth sailing ahead. Temperatures right now in St. George in the 50s, hardly any winds. That's been a good thing today with a little bit of a breeze. Those wind chills do not feel good, where many spots, at least here throughout the morning, with wind chill factors in the single digits, even below zero. We did climb out of the 20s in the 30s today. We're right now in Salt Lake City. We're at 35 degrees. Visibility is good. Air quality, for the most part, good as well. Noticing a little bit of haze, and with these cold temperatures, an inversion can set up rather quickly. But with extended daylight, we start mixing out. We still have colder air moving in aloft. That's helping things, and air quality doesn't look to become much of a concern moving ahead. But what are we expecting to see moving ahead? Yes, on a warming trend, I say baby steps. A slow climb where, again, we were in the 20s yesterday, about 30 degrees. Now we're at 35, but on average, we should be close to 50 degrees. We'll get there. It's going to take a couple of days. Now, for tomorrow, we will see some clouds tracking through. We have a storm system approaching, but a lot of the energy of that storm will move north of the state. But again, it will usher in some clouds, so we see less sunshine in the forecast for tomorrow. But high pressure does build in for the work week, and we're keeping our eye on our next storm. We'll talk about that in just a few moments. But let's first talk about what we're seeing right now. It's clear skies. As we look upstream, again, I mentioned that storm. Looks impressive. It's moving through the Pacific Northwest, Northern California. We are seeing some showers and even some heavy rain moving from Portland up to Seattle. That moves closer in, but again, it's pushing towards the northeast. This ridge of high pressure position now over the Intermountain region will kind of split it apart where some of the showers move northward. Let's take a look at what we're expecting here moving over the next 48 hours. And looking at that storm, where for tonight, it's another clear evening and very chilly temperatures. We're back down into the teens here along the Wasatch Front. Not single digits, but there will be some spots like up at Logan, Park City, over towards Vernal. Definitely single digits and close to 0 degrees. Now, for tomorrow, we wake up starting to see some clouds move in across northern into central Utah. You're seeing blue. That is snow. What will it do? It kind of fizzles out and moves north of the state. But again, we'll see the push of those clouds coming in. We'll be looking at partly sunny skies for northern central into eastern Utah, but you're not seeing any green, you're not seeing any blue. And under that westerly flow, we will find temperatures climbing. We get back into the 40s here along the Wasatch Front. And once we get past tomorrow and moving into Monday, we're going to keep skies clear. Threatening conditions north of the state, but again, not seeing impact where we'll keep it dry and a break from the storms, at least as we look through the work week, and then we don't have another storm until next week, Friday. But for tonight, increasing clouds across northwestern Utah. The rest of the state, you're looking at clear conditions and very, very cold overnight temperatures. Single digits in Park City, 0 in Logan, teens for the Wasatch Front, kind of string of 16 degrees there, and single digits in Milford. Tomorrow, we're avoiding the 30s, back into the 40s. However, we don't see as much sunshine in the forecast, so it may not feel as warm. Central and southern Utah, you're also into the 40s and upper 50s in St. George, where you see sunny skies across the south. But again, central northern Utah, we'll see that cloud cover coming into play. Now, for southern Utah, we really climb temperature-wise, 50s, 60s to 70 degrees. Now, front hits on Friday. That'll drop temperatures. Bring maybe some brief rain showers. Most of the models showing potentially towards northern Utah, at least with that initial wave. Now, for Wasatch Front, it's partly cloudy skies, upper 40s to 50s. Some clouds Wednesday, mostly cloudy skies Thursday. Front hit, it brings some rain showers, and then a possibility of snow back along the valley floors early Saturday morning. It's kind of breaking apart, but it will put some more snow up in the mountains. And again, we'll see that rain as temperatures will be warming back up. But again, we'll be looking at 50s out of that next front.